Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
3 Easy Origami Crafts for Kids. Origami helps develop many skills including fine motor, sequencing, symmetry, hand-eye coordination, etc. Here are some fun origami craft ideas for kids with easy-to-understand instructions. Number 1. Fox. The fox is very simple to fold and very easy for the beginners. How to make it? Begin with a square piece of origami paper. Place it diagonally and fold the paper in half by folding the lower corner to the upper corner. Now open it. Fold the left corner to the right corner. Fold the top corner towards the right corner, such that it's aligned with the crease formed from step 1. Similarly, fold the lower corner to the right corner. Now fold the top corner downwards and join it with the lower corner, such that the open slit stays at the top. Fold the entire left side just a bit before the center. The farther towards the center you fold, the bigger the head will be. Grab the bottom corner of the outside flap and open it. The fox's head will begin to fold down by itself. Go ahead and fold the head down. Fold a portion of the tail in. Draw the face, and the fox is ready. Number 2. Penguin. It has easy folds and can be made by small children. How to make it? Fold the paper in half and then unfold it. Fold both sides into the center along the dotted line. Make 2 pleat folds along the dotted lines. Fold the paper in half, bringing the top half behind. Rotate the paper about 45 degrees. Make an outside reverse fold along the dotted lines. Fold in the left and right sides, keeping enough space to create an invisible triangle. Fold the pointed top downwards. This will be the head. Make an inside reverse fold along the dotted line. Inside reverse fold the inside part again over to the right. Fold the top flap of paper underneath along the dotted line and then repeat on the other side. Make a crimp fold along the dotted lines. Your penguin is now ready. You can add 2 googly eyes to it. Number 3. Tulip. This easy origami tulip can easily be made by kids. How to make it? We will first make the tulip. Take a pink origami square paper. Keep it diagonal and fold the top corner to the lower corner. Turn it around such that it's like a pyramid. Now take the right lower corner and overlap it over the left side. Similarly, take the left lower corner and overlap it over the right side. Fold the lowermost tip towards the back. Your tulip is now ready. We will now make the stem. Take a green origami square paper and place it diagonally. Fold the left corner to the right corner to make a crease in the middle. Open the paper. Now take the left corner and fold it towards the middle crease. Repeat for the right corner. Fold the right corner completely over the left. Fold the bottom portion slightly upwards to create the base. Place the tulip prepared over this stem. Teach these simple origami crafts to your kids and let them enjoy making different artifacts without using glue and scissors.